Rigathi Gachagua to come and address the people who are here today.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya and Commander-in-Chief of the Kenya Defence Forces, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, Your Excellency, the First Lady of the Republic of Kenya, Mama Rachel Ruto, the Prime Cabinet Secretary, the Honorable Musalia Mudavadi, the Foreign Affairs Minister from the Republic of Angola, Ambassador Tete Antonio, the Speaker of the National Assembly, Honorable Moses Wetangula, the Speaker of the Senate, Amason Jeffa Kingi, Your Ladyship, the Chief Justice and President of the Supreme Court of Kenya, Lady Chief Justice Martha Koome, our host Governor Eric Mutai, Excellencies Governors Present, Excellencies Ambassadors, High Commissioners, and members of the Diplomatic Corps, all other leaders, na wananchi wa Kericho, hamjambo? Hamjambo tena? God is good, and all the time. Salimieni kwa hewa. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Bwana Yesu asifiwe tena. Your Excellency, I seek your indulgence, if you allow me, before I welcome you to address the nation, with tremendous respect, to request our visitor, Ambassador Antonio Tete, from the Republic of Angola, to come and greet the people of Kenya and say a few words.